Nova?
I'm upset. Help me, I'm upset.
What's the matter?
On TV. They're going to pick where I perform at random. At random.
I know. We agreed it months ago. Remember? I've got it all in hand. Your song lists, all chosen, choreography, programmed. The colour you've invented's been added to the light.
I do love my new colour. I'm calling it Brian.
Nice, very warm.
It's just, if I don't know which planet we're going to, how can I know what to wear?
Whoa. Hang on. What to wear? What else would make a music star Nova Jones wear to a brand new planet but... brand new tiara? Wait, what is that? A cuddly toy animal called Gurgle?
I don't like it.
It's weird. It's a pet that hardly moves. Well, stay calm. I can't have ordered the wrong thing. That wouldn't be very me, would it? Look at all this packaging. No, none of this can be recycled. I'll be sending a complaint. Oh, but please calm down!
My little pumpkin strudel. Do you love your cuddles? Yeah, you do, Gurgle. Look at his little face.
Nova's on the move. Co-writing.
Hang on, I'll find my keys.
What are you gonna sing?
Offs, Blob.
Nova Jones, I'm lighting up the galaxy. Nova Jones, biggest star you've ever seen. Nova Jones, I'm touring with all my family. Nova Jones.
And please make sure it's not the turquoise one again. Huh.
You can come back in when you're done, Labby Kids.
Watch out for Gurgle's body burps.
Calling them that doesn't make them any nicer.
The Nova Jones Concert Lottery result. The winner is Planet of the Big Glasses of Milk.
Nova's coming here. We're so thrilled. Oh, careful, careful.
Gosh, they're quite excitable, aren't they?
Please stay calm. You know what happens when we get overexcited.
Blimey, Nova, what are we going to do? Your music's far too exciting.
Oh, thank you. All right, I have to write a ballad. It's something that I thought of that was my idea, and I want to stop talking about whose idea it was right now. Calling kid songwriter.
Hey, Nova, what's the job?
I need a new song, kid songwriter.
How about this? Dance riot, we're in a dance riot.
No,
Electric boogie explosion.
I need a ballad.
A ballad?
I know. Blair, right?
But Nova, are you sure? You run a great risk.
What? Tell me, kid songwriter.
Every human heart is a mansion with many chambers. To write a ballad, you must unlock the doors to these chambers and risk inviting a most dangerous guest indeed. The Feels.
The feels.
Once you invite the Feels into your heart, they will never leave. Are you willing to embark on a perilous journey of pain and longing? Can you face the Feels? Are you ready for that?
Yes. I am, I can, and I are.
All right, our work starts now. Get ready to feel Feels you've never feeled before.
Please. I know the feels. I already spend my life with family, with someone I truly adore.
Gurgle.
Mummy's going to be busy, so you be good for McLaren.
A 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4.
You're being very brave, Nova.
I know. I really am. I've had Gurgle for 2 days. It's basically a lifetime.
Really sorry you're gonna miss your party, Captain.
It is sad I won't see Admiral Londo and get another approving pat on the shoulder. This is the right thing to do. Okay, keep in mind the gravity on Blurgle is very heavy.
We know.
Very heavy.
I told you.
I'm not prepped for this. Ah, my back.
Go on then, my boy. Go be home. Go, Gurgle. You'll be happy here. You'll...
Goodbye, Nova. I shall never forget your kindness.
You can speak?
Duh. Yes, I can speak.
Why haven't you said anything until now?
It is quite hard to interrupt you, Nova Jones. Oh, McLaren,
Yes, Gurgle?
I'm sorry if I was grumpy with you. I just really disapprove of Mercury's shopping. Their website tricks people into clicking things they don't want. But now I must express my gratitude. Nova, you were like a mother to me. You bathed me, fed me, cared for me.
I literally did the same things.
Yeah, but she's Nova Jones. She'd never usually do that stuff. I won't forget you, Nova. Goodbye.
I'm just... so... sad.
I can feel you out there, making me strong.
Yes, yes, the fields. She has them. She has.
Now you
The
are
fields.
gone, and I'm holding on. Yes, I'm holding strong. Can we be together forever? Where are you now? Can we be together forever? I'm searching the crowd. I'm chasing memories. You'll always be with me.
She's doing brilliantly, isn't she? Not a single glass as much as chipped.
And without my ordering mistake, Gurgle, Nova would have never got the feels.
Wait a minute. It can't be. Londo!
Can we be together forever? Where are you now?
Londo! Londo! That's Admiral Londo.
The captain of the North. You look just the same.
Well, what are you doing here?
Didn't you hear? Nova Jones is playing her first ever ballad.
You're a fan of Nova.
When the rumor got out, I knew I had to leave the party early and use some of my awesome space flying skills to get here in time for the concert.
Well, actually, I'm in charge of Nova's ship. That's my cockpit over there.
That's excellent.
Approving pat on the shoulder.
Good for you.
No. That was meant for me.